Hello everyone, my name is Preeta and I'm a student of yoga. Yoga is something that has always fascinated me, so I would like to share my views with all the viewers who are watching this video. There have been a lot of definitions of yoga that are so individual to us, isn't it? But by definition, yoga is union of body, breath and your mind. All three when comes united, yoga happens in life. There have been a lot of teachers in past who have researched and followed the various paths of yoga. One of the first teacher of yoga was Rishi Patanjali. He wrote a couple of Yoga Sutras, famously known as Patanjali Yoga Sutras, in which he describes there to be 8 limbs of yoga. First is called yamas. The second are niyamas. Niyamas are certain discipline that one needs to adhere in order to attain that unison of body, breath and mind. The third is asana, your postures that most of us do. Fourth is pranayama, the breathing techniques. Then comes dharana. Before dharana comes pratyahara. Pratyahara is taking your attention to a point and placing your attention on that point in the body for a couple of minutes and then relaxing. Pratyahara. So, making your consciousness like a laser beam, and then when you focus it, whatever stress, anxiety or issues that exist in that part of the body helps you to relaxed and released. Then comes dharana. What is dharana? Dharana again means taking your attention to certain parts of the body. It could be your navel center, it could be the base of your spine, it could be your heart center, could be your throat, could be your in between the eyebrows, or it could be at the top of your head. You can start by doing dharana on your navel center. Benefits of doing dharana on the navel center is that you will become more intuitive. Then comes dhyana. Dhyana means meditation. What is meditation? Meditation is the art of letting go. When you sit in meditation, you relax your body and you relax your mind. Techniques of meditations which are available, one can learn any one of them and be benefited by it. And finally comes samadhi. What is samadhi? Thi means buddhi. So samadhi is made up of 2 words, sama and dhi. Sama means equanimous. So when your intellect or your mind is equanimous, that is the moment or that is the state which is explained as samadhi. So remember the 8 limbs of yoga. 1. Yama. 2. Niyama. 3. Asana. 4. Pranayama. 5 pratyahara, then dharana, dhyan, and samadhi. Each limb is complete in itself. There is no linear movement, like you have to move from yama, niyama. So even if we learn and do one thing correctly, we can achieve yoga. Look at the brilliance of the ancient masters who have been in this land, and I hope everyone gets to be benefited by it. Happy International Yoga Day in advance. If you like this video, please go ahead and place your comments, like this video, and do subscribe to the channel. Until then, see you.